In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on the Base44 website using Chrome. Whether you're using this platform for personal projects or business needs, setting up your account is straightforward and essential to get started on the right foot. To begin, make sure you have Chrome open on your computer. Open your browser and navigate to the Base44 website. If you're not familiar with how to reach the site, you can simply type Base44 into your search engine and click on the official link. It should be among the top results. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to get acquainted with the layout. You'll notice various options catering to new and returning users. In the top right corner, or sometimes smack dab in the middle of the screen depending on updates, you'll see a button labeled either Sign Up or Create Account. Clicking on this button will bring you to the registration page, where the initial task is to input your email address. Make sure it's one you have easy access to, as we will be using it shortly. You'll then be prompted to create a secure password. When developing your password, it's always wise to incorporate a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to bolster its strength. Additionally, you'll need to provide any other requested information, which might include your name or a possible business name if you're registering for work-related purposes. Ensure all information is accurate and carefully review the input before moving on. After all of your details have been entered and checked, go ahead and submit the form. This will trigger the next critical step: email verification. Head over to your email inbox associated with the account you just created. Look for an email from Base44, which might land in your primary folder but sometimes can be found in the Spam or Promotions tab, especially if it's your first time interacting with them. Open this verification email and click the link provided. This step is vital because it confirms your email address and activates your new account fully. Now that your account is confirmed, return to the Base44 website. With your account email and newly created password handy, proceed to log in. You'll find the login button prominently displayed on the homepage. Enter your credentials to access your account. Congratulations, you're now officially a Base44 member. As you've reached the main user dashboard, now is the perfect time to start your first project. Take some time to explore the various tools and features available to you. If you have a specific project in mind, begin by clicking through the creation tools that Base44 offers. Don't hesitate to explore and experiment with the features. After all, getting hands-on experience is one of the best ways to learn and get comfortable with a new platform. Enjoy your journey, and happy creating with Base44.